Yebo, welcome to Watch Me Build It. I bet you've been wondering where I've been. The short version, my channel caught the COVID virus. Not me, my channel. You see, I've ordered no less than 5 watches. 5! And none of them have arrived. Props to AliExpress, they've refunded the purchase of all of those watches, except for one, which I'm still waiting for. It's stuck at customs. The rest of them, they went AWOL and they never arrived. Now I'm going to be doing something a little bit different today. I'm going to be expanding my channel. One of the names on the shortlist when I started my channel was Mechanical Beauty, because I've discovered there have been 3 sources of mechanical beauty that I've enjoyed in my life. The first, of course, is watches. The second is bicycles, and the third is motor cars. I doubt I'm going to explore motor cars on this channel, but today I'm going to be adding an element to my channel, and that is bicycles. There's another form of beauty that has captured my life, and it's the beauty of love. I have learned to love my boys, and they have adopted one of my earliest loves, Lego. So pretty soon you will be seeing the first editions of Watch Me Build It Junior, where my boys build some Lego sets. But today I'm going to introduce you to a new project. And here it is, folks, my latest project. It's going to be a bicycle rebuild of a late 1990s Kona Lavadome. Now, I have a bit of a love affair or an enamorment with the steel framed Konas of the late 90s. I was an avid cyclist and mountain biker when I was at high school, and there were 2 gentlemen in our school, Tyron and Robin Rumbelow, and they were national mountain bikers. They were sponsored by Kona, and I remember spending hours in the bicycle shed before school every day drooling over their mountain bikes. I have been able to pick up this Kona Lavadome in really good shape, and my ambition over the next few videos is to slowly modify this bicycle. I'm going to give you a quick walk around of this bike. It is in just ridden condition, so that means it's full of dust and dirt, and I'm going to show you what my first upgrade is going to be, and the rest of this video will just be a quick vid of me doing those upgrades. So welcome to Watch Me Build my Kona Lavadome. I hope you enjoy it. If you're not a bicycle fan, watch on through, maybe I'll pique your interest, and if you love bikes, watch some of the other videos. Maybe we'll make a watch person of you yet. Thanks guys, let's flip this camera, let's turn around, and let's get this puppy looking a bit more like I want it to look. Alright, let's run you through this bike and what it's wearing right now, and a little bit of what I intend doing with it. Okay, so this bike is not in stock condition. If we come down to the back, you'll notice it's running an XTR rear mechanism, and it's running an 8-speed sprocket. So already there's a bit of a mismatch over there, but I don't mind. XTR, of course, being the highest that Shimano had to offer. On the back rim, it's running a Mavic rim, and around the back it's running a Shimano Parallax hub. If we come round while I'm here at the saddle, got the original Kona seat post, that's fantastic, and an SDG saddle, not a name that I recognize, that would be kind of an aftermarket offering. Coming on down, it's got the beautiful steel frame, original paint. The paint has got a bit of damage on the rear triangle. I am considering a repaint. It's running Shimano Diore XT V brakes, not original to this particular model, but period correct. It's running an XTX RC front mechanism, and these cranks look a lot like XTR, but they're not. They're a different brand. And then I just put these purple pedals on. I thought they matched nicely. They didn't cost a fortune. And then coming round to the front of the bicycle, a beautiful radially laced wheel, but it's not original in any way, shape or form. A black Shimano Diore hub over there, and then the rims are not they're not the original Mavic. I do have the original Mavic in the garage. It was supplied with the bike. It's still running those Kona Project 2 forks, the straight forks, which are just beautiful. Diore XTV brakes in front, and then Diore XT brake levers, and rapid rise shifters. I'm probably going to stick with those, maybe see if I can upgrade the front mechanism to match the XTR, see if I can get something that's closer to the original hubs and rims. There is a bit of a problem, and I'll see if we can focus in on it. You'll notice underneath that the actual trigger lever for the front changer is lost. I need to see if I can have another one 3D printed by a friend of mine. The first item that I'm going to change is that stem. You see, if we can get back here, it's kind of ruining the line of a Kona. The lines of a Kona are so classic, so elegant, so slender, but one of the important things is that the stem runs parallel to the top tube, and that aftermarket stem is a higher rise and it's not running parallel. So I have procured my first upgrade, and this is it. An original Velocity Kona stem with almost zero rise in it, and I can't wait to put this one on and show you the change that it's going to make to the aesthetic of this bike. Hey, so here we are. I am here with my three sons making their channel debut. You're going to see them soon in Watch Me Build It Junior when they build their Lego dragons. But for now, they're going to help me with today's modification. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Say welcome to Watch Me Build It. Okay, boys, here's what we're going to be doing today. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the bar grip. The second thing we're going to do is we are going to loosen the gear lever. The third thing we're going to do is we're going to take the front off of this and remove the handlebars. We will then loosen that bolt and take this neck out. Then we will put the new stem onto the handlebars first. We'll put the gear lever and the bar grip back. We'll fasten the handlebars in and fasten everything up. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, who's going to help me unloosen this one?
Why
Okay.
are we what?
And here it is, folks, the Kona with the revised stem, out on my morning ride this morning. Can you see what a difference that stem makes to the aesthetic of the bike in its natural habitat? But yeah, that's the Kona with the revised stem. So what do you think, guys? Did you enjoy watching me do this little modification on an old Kona? Did you enjoy seeing my boys on the channel? Thanks for coming along to watch me build my bike. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you came to the channel because of the bike, let me know. If you think bikes stink, let me know as well. Yeah, I will definitely be featuring more watches as soon as they arrive. You'll be seeing my boys with their Lego. That will be coming very shortly. And all in all, I just want to say, hey guys, thanks for coming along and thanks for watching me build my Kona Lavadome. Cheers.